All right, Zach, what just happened?
Setting the decoys out this morning and went for a drink. A little wet all the way down. See?
Oh, yeah. That sucks. After watching... Oh, see, look, there's a guy right there. What the hell? See that?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, right here, right here. They're gonna do it. Here, get up here, get up here. Take him. Got that one. Dude, I dumped that one. Ooh, heck yeah. Perfect, dude. Right here. That was money. Dude, we should have got more out of there. I just got too excited.
I did too.
Well, I led on the first one, and on the second one, I just put it dead nuts. Because they weren't going anywhere. I know. Hey, when they start working, just like take a knee right here. Mm-hmm. Just so you're a little bit lower. Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck. This one right here. Oh, nope. Alright.
I need to slow down.
Oh, shit. There we go. Alright. That was the only mallard or drake that I saw. Yeah. I know. I was just like, oh, crap. Because they were right there. Green, baby. Mallards, bro. I don't know if this was a drake or a hen. Hen. That's all right. I couldn't. Yeah. No. Hell, oh, that one got crunched. Look at that. Hell yeah. All right. You gotta get some birds now, man. Right here. Oh, God. All right, let's go get back in the blind. Let's go. I'm sad we're getting like to the halfway point of the season, you know? See, I don't want to say anything, but it's like I've never come here and not shot ducks. Never. Even when I didn't have any decoys or anything like that. So every time I come out, I get nervous that I'm gonna break my streak.
It's gonna be your one.
I've never shot a limit in here, but I've never gone with no birds. All right. Bubblehead just landed. Oh. Wait for it to get back up. I know, I saw that. There he is. Get him.
Jesus. Still strong.
You were way behind it, that second shot. Did you see that? All right. Let's give it a second. Shh. Just let him work. Don't move. They'll hook around. think so. Yeah, they gotta switch up there. They gotta hook in from the other side. Oh, they want in, yeah. It's just, it's windy. Dude, they want it in. I know, yeah. Oh, that was tough, because we probably could have gone for him. I just wanted to see if they could, you know, yeah. Oh, I thought they were gonna do it.
I thought they were gonna come down.
But they have to hook. They have to come straight down the pipe here. Versus over the top, they can't get down fast enough. I'll get in. Take it. That one's going down. I'm gonna have to go get that one. Yeah. Oh, it's right there. No, I know. That's what I'm saying. Try to get it into the weeds so you can grab it. Yeah. It's right there.
No, it's not.
Oh, you can see it though. It's right there. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Yeah. I've never got to use it. Here, hold my gun.
Get on video. Good night.
There you go. Hey, good job, man. There you go. Mallardos. That's a big drake, dude. So this drake just came in, just absolutely did it dirty. We both shot at the same time, so we're not sure who got this one, but that was just perfect. That was just perfect. That was beautiful. Nice. We'll call that one yours.
Okay. So it's even?
Yeah.
We'll keep it even.
Dude, right on. Oh, that was that like just feet down, dude. Right here, dude.
Hit him out
right here.
So hard, dude.
Oh, he was done.
He was like, I'm done flying. Let me sit down.
Oh. He's right up top. Don't move. Don't move. Wait. He's too far. Let him swim in. Oh, that's kind of weird. I'm shocked that he landed over there. He'll come over here though.
Eventually.
He looks really happy. Dibs.
It's yours.
All right. Or at least I get first shot. How about we say that?
It's true.
And then it's
If you miss it,
all bets off. Oh yeah.
do not shoot.
I won't shoot your mojo. All right. Here, I'm gonna try it. Oh man. What the hell? Oh dude, I'm sorry. You all right?
You're good.
Here, I'm gonna go get that bird. Just about got under my waders on that one. Went out into the slough, but I was probably almost 2 inches from being over my waders. That was close. No, thank you. Worth it. So it's like it's about 9:45 right now, and we've got 5 ducks between the two of us. I've got 2 drakes, 1 hen. Zach has 1 drake and 1 hen, and it is sweet. Like, it's windy, a little bit of rain. The ducks are still working pretty good. Lots of groups of 2 to 6, some larger groups, but they're not super interested. But it's a good day. I think we're gonna stick it out till, I don't know, about noon, a couple more hours, see how we do. If it's slow like it is right now, we haven't seen ducks in maybe 20 or 30 minutes. If we don't see anything else, then we'll probably pack up, but we'll see if we can't scratch out a couple more. Oh yeah. so embarrassing. How did we miss? Your gun's off, safe. I know. Oh man. Well, at least we know we got a good spread, because if there's singles, they like it. Do a coot shoot. See, that's a pretty slick rig. This is the small size of this too. There's a size bigger, but it wouldn't fit in my car. Yeah, it wouldn't fit in my trunk. This one just kind of barely does. Here, no, I was saying we should leave it there. We'll tie this to it. We can take photos. You know what I'm saying? Like, that'd look good. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We got done. We pulled the decoys right at about 11 or so. The ducks just kind of stopped flying. It was kind of slow. We had some ducks flying around, but it just wasn't worth it really to stay out much longer. But I got 3 ducks. Zach got 2. That was kind of our end, what we had last time. Thank you for watching. It was a lot of fun. The weather's really nasty right now. It's kind of real windy. Tomorrow's supposed to be really rainy. I'm going out tomorrow with a buddy and going to a different spot. We'll see how we do. Same area, but different spot. A little bit more water, but we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching.